Cut cardstock 5.5 to 9.5 inches. Score and fold cardstock at 1/2 inch, 2 5/8 inches, 6 7/8 inches and 9 inches. Fold the 2 1/2-inch sections outward and fold the others inward to create a gatefold. Be sure to burnish it well. Use scissors or a paper trimmer to cut 1.5 inches at the top and bottom of the 1/2-inch scored sides. Using a trimmer will help you keep the cuts more even. Use scissors to miter the notches on both sides of the card base. Add a strip of designer series paper along the bottom of a panel of basic white cardstock. Adhere the decorated basic white panel to the back of the card base for your handwritten note area. Adhere designer series paper to the inside of the card base. Now for the pop-out mechanism. Cut coordinating cardstock to 3 inches by 10 5/8 inches. Score at 2 1/8 inch, 4 1/4 inches, 6 3/8 inches and 8.5 inches. Burnish well. Fold it all together and burnish again. Cut 4 pieces of designer series paper and adhere to the 4 outside panels of the mechanism, alternating patterns for visual interest. Decorate a piece of neutral cardstock, I used basic white, in whatever way you would like. This small piece will go into the center of the pop-out mechanism. Stamp and cut out the pieces and sentiment you want to use for the front of your card. I used the Amber Autumn stamp set and coordinating dies. I used the textured notes dies for the sentiment piece. Add that center panel for the pop-out mechanism. Attach the pop-out mechanism to the center of the inside of the card. Decorate the outside panels of the card. Place adhesive on the notched flaps and attach to one side of the card pop-out mechanism and then the other. Finish by adding your sentiment and decorative elements to the card front. I also added a double bow with the early espresso and old olive linen thread. A glue dot makes it stay exactly where I want it. Add whatever embellishments you want. Maybe even inside the card. And there you have it. You just created a gorgeous expanding pop-out gatefold fun fold card. Plenty of room for a message, too. This will be a wow card every time. It easily stands up. Beautiful. Ready to make your own?